Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you a deep dive into what we're calling the best Loafers slip-on leather flats available right now. The Clarks Women's Juliet Palm Loafer. If you're hunting for a stylish, all-day wearable pair of flats that doesn't compromise on elegance or comfort, you're absolutely going to want to see this. Let's start with the first impression, the look and design. The Juliet Palm is crafted with 100% premium black leather uppers. The finish is clean, smooth, and refined, a perfect match for both casual and professional outfits. There's an effortless elegance to these loafers that makes them look more expensive than they actually are. The silhouette is timeless, featuring a low block heel with a stack effect that adds just the right lift without sacrificing comfort. Once you step inside the shoe, the experience only gets better. The interior is lined with a soft textile sock and lining that feels smooth against your skin. But what really sets the Juliet Palm apart is Clarks' proprietary Ultimate Comfort System. This means layers of cushioned soft padding are embedded within the footbed, along with an ortholite insole. All-day support and moisture-wicking comfort that keeps your feet cool and dry even on the longest days. Now, let's talk about the outsole. It's made from TR, which stands for thermoplastic rubber, a durable, flexible, and grippy material. That means whether you're walking to work, catching public transport, or running errands around town, you're going to feel secure on your feet. It's lightweight too, so the shoe won't drag you down after hours of wear. From a functionality perspective, this loafer has it all. Easy slip-on style for those rushed mornings, comfort that lasts into the evening, and a look that pairs with trousers, skirts, or even dresses. The shaft height is listed as not applicable. Basically, this sits at the perfect low-cut level for a loafer, exposing just enough of the foot to stay breathable and flattering without compromising coverage. The sizing is true to form, and Clarks offers a wide selection, so whether you need a narrow fit or something more spacious, there's likely a match for you. If you're a professional who needs to look polished but wants to avoid the aches that come with heels, this is a fantastic alternative. If you're someone who's constantly on the go but doesn't want to give up style for comfort, again, the Juliet Palm is ideal. And if you're just someone who loves reliable footwear that doesn't require breaking in, this one's a no-brainer. In terms of measurements, the shoe weighs approximately 6.4 ounces and the dimensions clock in at about 17.9 by 13.4 by 10.4 inches, making it lightweight and travel-friendly too. To wrap up, the Clarks Women's Juliet Palm Loafer hits the sweet spot between luxury and practicality. It's sleek, it's supportive, and it's designed for real, everyday life. Whether you're buying it for work, for weekends, or for walking all over a new city, this loafer won't let you down. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more real-world breakdowns of must-have items, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're ready to try the Juliet Palm for yourself, check out the link in the description. See you next time.